All right, I just received this in the mail. This is a 7-day digital dual outlet outdoor timer. That's some of the specs on it. Let's check the side of the box, the back of the box, the top of the box. Let's see what's in here. Just pop it open. Should be pretty simple. It's a dual, that means two. All right, so it's dual, so you see your two inlets there. It opens up, this protects it from the weather, right? And there it is. So you can see you've got a manual. You can turn the manual on or off, and it has minutes, hours in the week, and this is your clock, and that's your program there. So, you're going to have to program this. That's going to take some reading. We're going to have to read the instructions to see exactly how you do it. And then over here, you've got that you can screw it into the wall and then plug this in to your outlet that's on the outside of your house. And that's the information on the back of it. So we're going to have to do a little bit of reading and figure out how to do this. If you look here, it says week. So right now we're on Monday, right? So if I press this, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's not really doing anything. The hour. So I think you have to hit program first and on. So you got to figure out when you want it on. But I think we have to pick, we're going to pick every single day. Then we're going to go to the hour. And I think we're going to have it start at, in the evening, we want it to turn on, right? So let's put it at 8. All right, then off, I'm thinking in the morning, right? So let's go to 6 o'clock. That should do it. And then bam, we're done. We just programmed it. So hopefully that'll work. That way it turns the lights on at night and it turns them off in the morning. So I think we're good on that because we did it on every single day. But we've got to set our clock, right? So let's take a look and see what time it is. We're going to press this. And right now I've set the clock. It's at 1:19, which is what time it is on Eastern Standard Time. But if you wanted to change that, you would just hold that and then click this, and you can change the time, right? I'm just going to go all the way through and get back to 1 o'clock. You can also change the minutes by holding that and clicking through. There's 1:20. So that gives you, your time. And then if you want to see your program, you click here, and that's basically your program. That's your number one program. So if you press it again, it shows your on time, 8 p.m., shows your off time at 6 a.m. And then if I click it, it goes to my next program, which I could use. I haven't programmed a second program, or a third, or a fourth, or a fifth, or a sixth, or a seventh, or eighth, or a ninth, or a 10th. I just have our standard program here, which is set for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that should work all the way through. And then we go back to our clock and you're ready to go. Now we can go ahead and shut this, and Bob's your uncle. Oh, if you want to reset it, you just press that button right there and it resets it, and you can reprogram the whole thing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.